Hey loves, welcome back. It's a full natural wash day routine for Maya's hair. It's been 3 whole months since her knotless braids were in store, so we're giving her hair the TLC it deserves by gently taking down her 3-month-old braid. Her hair was so dry, y'all, and ready for moisture. I sprayed the Pink Kids detangling spray all over her scalp and roots and let it sit for 5 seconds to soften up everything. That spray really helps melt tangles down and makes this process less stressful for both of us. The next step, after taking down all her braids, I moved on to the I Am Cowash, which I absolutely love because it's gentle enough for both toddlers and adults as well. I apply it section by section to her hair and walk it into her scalp with my fingers, massaging it slowly in circles to lift up all the dirt and buildups that she's acquired for 3 months, y'all. And then I use my fingers to detangle while the co-wash was still in there because it helps with lead retention by reducing breakage during combing. Your fingers are the best detangling tool you could find out there. You could see the single-stranded knots and then I finish. When I'm done, I make sure I twist up her hair back in different sections that I've put it in. It's always good to work in sections, my mothers. So after finger detangling, I use a soft brittle detangling brush to further smooth out the strands. This really helps prep the hair for deep treatment and made rinsing a breeze. Always detangle from end to root, mamas, especially with your little ones. So far, from her hair, from 3 months worth of not washing. Yes. I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar, mix it in this bottle with water, and then rinse her hair with, purify her hair with. And once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna move ahead to use this. I mix it with apple cider vinegar and water as well, because that's what it says in the instructions. And I move from there. And just go ahead and wash your hair. What is it? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chantal. I do everything natural hair care, motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. So if you're into stuff like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button by joining the family down below. We're more than welcome here, and God bless you for doing that. If I try my best to upload new videos every week, and if you don't see me on my long form content, be sure to check me out on the short form shorts. Thank you all so much. So moving on, I'm rinsing out the I Am Cowash that I had on her hair. I'm rinsing it really good, making sure I get every dirt out and putting moisture back into her hair. Walking in sections, making sure I put everything back in. Now, next step, to clarify, we're going to use the apple cider vinegar rinse. I mix apple cider vinegar and water in a bottle, or this is leftover from the mixture, and apply it directly to her scalp. This helps break down any leftover buildups and reset the pH of her scalp. After letting it sit for a few minutes, I rinse it thoroughly with warm water and then proceed to applying the Indian clay max for the treatment. This is the game changer of the moisture that's going to be poured back into her hair. Now we're moving on to applying the clay. Apply the clay by making sure that I mix up some Indian clay with warm water to create a smooth paste like you see back there. I apply it all over her strands, making sure to coat from roots to tips. This clay draws out toxins, minerals, and excess oil that traditional shampoos might miss. This is the main character of this entire wash day routine. It is the goat when it comes to drawing out impurities that has been building up for 3 months. Okay, it's the best. It brings back the moisture, clarifies your scalp, and the benefits are endless with this clay mask. You can use it on your face as well. I use it to apply it on my face to bring back the moisture. There it is. I left it on for about 20 minutes while wearing a plastic cap, then rinse completely later. Honestly, mamas, this might seem like way too many steps to handle in a wash day routine in a day, but let me reassure you, you can do it. If I can, you could definitely take care of your little girl's curls. You can show it love and put back moisture. This will definitely be added onto our hair care routine. We've never done this before. This is maximum hydration method. You can see how hydrated her curls are.
And Mama, and like you said, my curls are popping just like Jesus is. He was so curly. I can see it in pictures, curly. So cool.
And I'm done. I'm gonna go into this and just. So we're moving on to using the Camille Rose castor oil deep conditioner to just put back moisture in her hair. This is just me being extra. You can skip this step and just move forward to air drying your hair and moving on to styling. But mama wanted her girl's hair to be super duper moisturized. You can see in Mira's hair right here. So I left it on for a couple of minutes. Now we're moving on to rinse that out as well, and after that you're just gonna see me proceed to apply the Cantu leave-in conditioner in each section. I did a light application, just very light, and more water. You just adapt like that, just a finger and then more water, and that's a finger in each section. Make sure that I just apply that to put back moisture into her hair when we're using the blow drying, because if I don't do that, my kid's hair is gonna feel dry after that. So there it is. I'm just applying a generous amount. And after that, you're gonna see me proceed on to just air drying her hair. Putting her hair back in a twist is a must, because if not, this girl's thick 4C hair is gonna curl back up, and all that detangling will all be a waste. Alright, y'all, so this is Amaya's hair, freshly washed. Turn around, baby. Amaya, let's just do this and go. See, this is her hair. Her hair is super duper moisturized, and yeah, my baby's hair is so hydrated, so moisturized. Let's see, her hair is long too, all the way down here. So happy I did this to give back life onto their hair. It's so worth it. So I'm about to go ahead, stretch it out. After 3 months, I plan on doing this method every 3 months, y'all. That's, I could do this like 3 times in a year to just give back moisture in their hair. So you have 3 times to actually do this numerous steps to take care of their curls. It's well deserved. There's nothing like showing care and love to your kids' hair, or your hair, your natural hair as well. Showing them that you can find time to love in your hair. Like you sit for hours, like 4 hours, 6 hours to get box break in. So you should be able to put in the sacrifice, 4 hours, 6 hours to definitely deep condition, put back moisture into your children's hair. This RevAir Dryer is definitely a game changer, y'all. It uses reverse air and minimal heat to stretch and dry hair quickly with less breakage and no freeze. My daughter's hair was smooth, shiny, and full of volume. They're tender-headed, so this has been the best item that has been added onto our list of products that really helps with their hair growth, because they won't let me stretch their hair using any other product. Alright, we are done. I just finished stretching her hair. Her hair is so healthy. The back, let them see it. Good. Okay. Hello. Alright, turn around.
You say you're going on for And Mama, can I see in your hand how much hair you're cutting from my...
You don't have to see. It has to be my little secret. Just dusting. This is healthy to do, so that way you don't have so much split ends.
Because then if you have too much split ends, it won't be really nice.
Yes, it's going to.
And then you'll just cut your hair for no good reason.
It's going to make your hair not.
Is it going to make it itchy? Anything that you feel?
No, it's not making itchy. It's just gonna keep your hair healthy.
You know I can see how much hair. I'm just going to be okay. I'm fine how long you trim it. Cause Mama, when the first time you made braids, and when they go to the toilet, it goes all the way down to my bottom. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chantal. Please go ahead and join the family by hitting that subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell button so that you get notified every time I upload new videos. I try my best to upload videos every week, but you can check me out also on shorts if you don't see me on my main long form content. I got this much. It's so fluffy. I like it being on my cheeks.
Oh yeah, that's a beautiful thing. Yes, healthy. That's what we got.
It's so fluffy.
And please don't forget to like, comment, and share your opinion, your best tip for deep conditioning and taking care of your hair. Thank you all so much. As always, love you all and God bless. So we've come to the end of this wash day. I love moments like this because it's a time of bonding, and I'm so glad of the result. You can see how healthy Amaya's hair is. Health is what we need. Loving their hair and showing it love. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.